Remedies for menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps are due to hormone-like substances called prostaglandin that causes the uterine muscles to contract during the menstruation. Cramping can cause a dull or throbbing pain in the lower abdomen and radiate a pain to the lower back and thighs. Cramps generally subside after the first 2 or 3 days of the period. Some women feel cramps just before the onset of their cycle, too. Some factors can increase the chances of suffering from menstrual cramps, such as reaching puberty at an early age, genetics, heavy bleeding during the periods, and unhealthy habits like smoking. A sedentary lifestyle, consuming excessive alcohol, and taking illegal drugs. First, hot water compress. Put a towel drenched in a hot water over your lower abdomen to get relief from the menstrual pain. Alternatively, you can use a bottle filled with the hot water and place it on your lower abdomen to soothe the cramps and pains. Second, bioflavonoids. Consume food rich in bioflavonoids like citrus fruits, mangoes, sprouts, Brussels, and broccoli. Third, iron and calcium rich diet. Iron and calcium rich diet. Consume foodstuffs rich in iron and calcium like milk, egg, legumes, green leafy vegetables, beans, lentils, chickpeas, and soya beans. Dried fruits like raisins and prunes. Fourth, curd and banana. Cook banana leaves in oil for a while and mix them with the curd. It makes a great recipe for cramps. Fifth, ginger. Add ginger to cakes, cookies, vegetables, and even tea. To prepare ginger tea, steep half tablespoon of crushed ginger in a cup of boiling water and then strain it. Sip this tea 2 to 3 times a day. You can also add cinnamon powder, lemon juice, and honey to the tea. This is one of the best natural remedies for menstrual cramps. Sixth, mustard seeds. Steep some mustard seeds in water or alternatively add mustard powder in the warm water. Dip your feet in it for 30 to 45 minutes. This is a great way to cure menstrual cramps. 7. Fennel seeds. Choose some raw fennel seeds daily or as when required. They also act as a mouth freshener, aids in digestion, and eliminate the symptoms of menstrual cramps. Another option is to steep some fennel seeds in the water. Strain this mixture and add some honey to it. Drink this herbal tea when your periods are about to start. 8th, flax seeds. Consume 1 tablespoon of flax seeds daily throughout the menstrual cycle. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon of flax seeds along with your yogurt or salad and eat it. This is one of the most effective natural cures for cramps.
Thanks for watching.